Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can restart your iPhone SE. Okay, this is the iPhone and I'll show you how you can restart it. It's very easy, so let's jump right into the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials to my YouTube channel. And now let's jump right into the video. So as you can see, this iPhone SE from 2016, it has a button right at the top. So if you want to restart this iPhone, first I unlock this iPhone, and now if you hold this button at the top, right, this button, now this is what's going to happen. You'll see the slide button. You can slide to power off this iPhone. Now if you want to cancel the process, all you need to do is just to tap the cancel button. So that's how you do it, guys. Now let me show you. Actually, just slide, and now I turned off iPhone SE from 2016. As you can see, it's turned off. Nothing pops up, nothing shows up. So that's the tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. So I see you guys now in the next video. Take care.